Yo, check out that big hill. I just bummed the crap out of that big hill. So I'm gonna walk down a little bit. Man, that was a hard bum. Check out these turkeys. They're just chilling. My gosh, that hill is so big. I think I should have got a ride down. I mean, these hills are massive around here. Crap, dude, I definitely gotta get out of this neighborhood. I just saw some deer. Bro, I ain't built for no deer. I gotta go. How do you get out of here? The boosted board's at 100%, so I'm gonna have to go ride up a hill and then ride down to uncharge the battery a little bit. Let's ride up this one. This is a BART station I don't usually come to. It's a little weird to have these things open. Like, the air can just pass straight through, even the wind. What are they talking about? And now they stop talking as soon as I stop talking. Next. Yo, 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 another day, another dollar with your homeboy Jermaine, and I need to get on this train right here. Perfect timing. I don't even have to run to catch it. I'll be able to get on the train. But yo, for now, let's get this video started. Yeah. Off to the first TaskRabbit gig of the day, and it's somewhere around here. This is gonna be a 1-hour job. Should be a pretty easy job. Let's go see how this one goes. All right, yo, just finished up on that TaskRabbit gig, and I've never been exploring over here. Check this out. It's like right above the freeway. Look at this place. Nice big hill too, by the way. Look how big this hill is. Whoa, I took my finger off the boosted board brake and I started to roll down pretty fast. Don't want to do that. Wow, what neighborhood is this over here, I wonder? Let's go explore. Yo, so far I've knocked out one TaskRabbit gig and I got one more gig lined up. Now I'm thinking that this next gig could be 2 or 3 hours, so cross my fingers. But if all goes well, it'll only be 1 hour and I'll be out of there quick, fast, and in a hurry. If you know what I'm saying, if you know what I'm saying. And every now and then this happens. Guess I'm gonna have to keep skating to get rid of this bad boy. Oh, there we go. It's gone. Yo, check this out. I know a lot of you guys are like concerned about jobs being eliminated in the future. Well, you know what this thing is? This thing can replace, you know, those jobs at Starbucks, the barista. Yeah, this thing can make coffee by itself. How crazy is that? Now, don't get me wrong, the technology is gonna have to get a whole lot better than what it is now, but this is a start. Y'all know what time it is. It's Chipotle time. Yeah, brown rice, black beans. And do you have any more veggies? No more veggies? Okay. Yo, back over here on the Oakland side. About to go just skate over to the Airbnb. Get ready to call it a night. Man, today has been, I don't know, today's been another day. Today's definitely been another chilly day. I mean, pretty dang windy. I hope that it's not as windy tomorrow because it's really nice to enjoy the weather and enjoy the day when it's not super windy. But we'll have to see. Let's go skate. Nice in bed now. About to pass out. Check it out. Charge up the boosted. and then charge up all my other devices here. So many devices here to charge up. But yo, that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's video, and peace out, yo.